Hi, and welcome to another solution-driven session. We are going to be seeing how we'll be addressing the challenge of replying every message on WhatsApp, especially with the current state of things where you put in a lot of effort to generate leads into your email list or WhatsApp list, and at the end of the day, maintaining them becomes another problem because you won't be able to address each and every one of them at every point in time. As human, definitely you have that particular point in time where you want to give yourself a short break to stay away from certain things, but customers might want to get some feedback or some information. So this platform that you are seeing here make provision for us to have that one-on-one interaction even when we are not there, with the advent of AI being incorporated into the entire system. So before you get into this platform, before we even see the details of everything we have that we can benefit from this particular platform, first need to come to this very stage. There's a link in the description box, or possibly if you're getting this from an email list, possibly you must have seen the link there. You click the particular link, it brings you to this particular point. You fill in your name, your WhatsApp number, and your email. Once you click sign up, it automatically enrolls you. You take note of the password. And once you log in, you'll be presented to this very dashboard, this particular dashboard here that you are seeing. So for a new person who is just starting with the platform, there's possibility that you might not have very much idea into it, even though I would like to touch a little of it. But for more information, you go down, scroll down to this particular point, look at it here, where you have academy. This is all the necessary information here, everything about the platform, about the dashboard, about your account, about your form, about importing contact, broker list, send broadcast, your automation. That is the key thing where it responds as if you are the one responding. Then the chat box. The chat box takes care of taking note of your keywords based on their request to ensure that they get the proper value for what they are asking you for. So it's a very useful platform, especially in our present day world of automation where AI is gradually becoming a key part of businesses, especially in the business world, to see that we keep growing our businesses, and it's going to be a platform again that incorporates a lot of feature, both for the aspect of WhatsApp and even some aspect of email. We are going to be seeing it in details now. So at the initial stage, when you are logging into your environment, you have your dashboard, you have provision for a free trial where you can give it a try to see how good it is. Then you have provision for a form. This environment gives you the opportunity to create form. For those who have an idea on sales funnel, it's virtually the same thing. Very simple, straightforward. You click add form. That is if you don't have contact list yet, you have provision to add form. You put in the name of the form, you select whatsoever category you want it. This is just a customized URL for the form that you'll be sharing for people to click and to join your email list. You have this particular point where you put in the message for them to see at the top of the page, that is at the beginning of the page. You customize it the way you want. You can add your necessary information, maybe about your business or what you want to tell them. You have your name, that is the label. That means the grouping of the names in the form. How do you want it to be grouped in the database? Then your WhatsApp level 2. There's some few information here, the default country. Then you have provision for email addresses if you want to collect two in the form. You have provision for cities if you want to collect the form. You select all these ones. Then you have add more. Once you click add more, the form will be generated, or any field that you want to add to the form. This is it. You have these particular points. All these things are just some HTML related information. You might not be worried so much about this. Then you can add your Facebook page or even your email address if you are running an organization, that is your own organization of choice, or any additional information. Once you are done, you click add form. The form will be generated. Then you will have a provision where you'll be able to see the form, how it looks like, where people fill in the information and get to collect your information. This is very important, especially for the marketing aspect. Then you have another point of also getting your leads or your contacts, people contacting to your list. This is the import. This one you import come down to phone, or if it is a group, you add phone contacts from this particular point. You fetch people's contact into your contact list. You can see how you decide to do it. So you can add from this particular environment, or you can add from group, because in this case, this will show when you connect your WhatsApp number. By the time your WhatsApp number is fully incorporated, you will get to see it when you look. Then after getting all these contacts, emails, all information that you want into your dashboard here, the next thing is, how do you set up this automation? You have two options of setting up, about three options of sending these messages. You have the real automation here, where you select your list here, where you select your list after you've added them based on as they registered into your list. You select, then you set up your messages, or you have the chat box. The chat box also performs similar function too, where you set up your, start putting your necessary message that you want. You have provision to send broadcasts. This is it. You select your list, you set up your message. This is it. You come to this very point, you can see the broadcast is clearly shown. You see where you select your account, you select the way you want the information. This bracket are telling you columns in the account, calling the columns that will be on your Excel sheet. That means your contact list. That is how the column. You have your second name, your third name, your phone number, your first name. So when you are typing your message, let's say you say hello, you now put in open brackets. Then let's say your target is the first name, which is this very one. You put first name here. Then you close it. How are you? Blah blah blah. And the rest of them. This is how you put in the customized message for every individual in your contact list. Turn the contact on. So you continue that way. When you are done, you send the broadcast. That means if you want to test for the broadcast, you click send, you run it. If you want to add an image to the WhatsApp message, this is also a provision for you to add the email, a picture to it. That is it for the aspect of the broadcast. We will now come to down here again. You also have where you can integrate your own email marketing concept into it. This is it. You have your broadcast for email too, which is almost similar like the WhatsApp one. When you come down here, you see the same thing. Your email form, the subject, how you want the subject. Let's say for example, you say or public announcement. Maybe you want to post an announcement, or you want to give a special offer, maybe for your clients for a particular season. So a special offer, you now put a bracket and then put name, put it close. That means the name of the person will be on this particular point. You put in the header, whatever you want to type. Come down. This is it. Then reply to, you put the email that if the person is replying, the email should go to. Then you now have a put the body of your email. Then once you are done with everything, you click broadcast now or send test email. So this is for the email aspect. This is for the automation for the email too. So each and everyone has its own automation, but first you need to have your email list. For now, there's no, you have your email list, you have your subscribe email list. So the platform is a very rich platform that will really help a lot when it comes to AI integration and a host of other relevant information. You can see all the integration services that are available here on this platform that you can work with. If you are working with GetResponse, this is it, you configure it to integrate. If you are working with MailChimp, this is it. You can also integrate your MailChimp account with it. A Weber account, active campaign account, so bed send, and then sending account. So all these are very good for your businesses. It will really help you to ensure you keep track of development in your businesses with your customers and even your prospect. By so doing, you have every reason to appreciate the fact that you are not losing customers or clients, because this is the wish of every business person. Once you're able to come into his email list, if you maintain that contact with you and you continue to remain until you continue to enjoy that value together, where you are rendering your service and you're also getting value in return. So the business world is all about solution driven. As you are providing solution, the reward is also coming to you. So incorporating for a token for a platform like this is really worth it. If you go further, you can see what it costs for the subscription. You have provision for free trial, which you can run it to see first. Then I think I would advise you give it a try to really enjoy that free trial. So thanks once again. The link is in the description box of this video. Please check it. Thanks once again. And I'm sure you have every reason to be happy that you do.